My name is Paul. We have a 2014 Thor A C E for sale. 39,000 miles on it. I'm doing a video showing the inside with the slide in. This is the travel mode. And what's nice about it is you can get into the bathroom. And into the bedroom with the slide in. And with the slide out, you have all that extra room for your living room, your kitchen. The slide comes all the way out to these rugs right here. Lots of open space. Overhead cabinets and a dinette. This table converts as usual to a bed. Over the cab there's another bed, and I'll bring that down and I'll show you in a second. What's nice in the kitchen, lots and lots of storage. 4 drawers, 2 over the sink cabinets. We got a coat closet here. And some shelves on the other side. That's a little better. Across from that, with a refrigerator, freezer. And next to the refrigerator, freezer, we have a pantry. Lots of space for herbs and such, and another over the refrigerator cabinet. The bedroom got 4 cabinets overhead, 2 small windows, a cabinet on one side of the bed, little nightstand on the other side of the bed. We have 2 big closets, 2 drawers, and another 2 shelves of storage underneath one closet. Inside the closet you have nice shelves. Turn them into like California closets. Show you the other one. The other one's a little different because my shirts are longer than Trisha's. So I got 1 shelf on this side, 2 shelves on that side. Little nightstand and electrical outlet there. You need privacy in the bedroom. Nice wooden sliding door. And king size mattress. Mattress is new, it's less than a year old. It lifts up. Underneath you have storage. We'll even give you the vacuum. That's a table for up by the in between the driver's seat and the passenger seat. 2 carpeted sections underneath the bed, lit, and another section under here, all for storage. So we put a bed lift kit in, so literally it goes up with 2 fingers and down with 2 fingers. Bathroom. We mounted 2 racks for towels over on top of that. Another storage area. Next to that, 2 more storage areas. Underneath that, 2 more shelves underneath the sink. More storage And underneath the shower, a pet tray. Inside the shower, we have soap and shampoo dispensers for you. We have an upgraded nozzle, skylight. I'll bring the camera out so you can see the shower and the bathroom. Also on the inside, all LED lights all the way down. This is in the broad daylight and you can see how bright they are. So much brighter than the standard lights that came with it. We have in all the basement areas LED lights also. And I think that will conclude it. And I almost forgot to tell you about the over the cab bed. So I told you I would put it down and let you see. Got a ladder. And plenty of storage. What we do is we keep all our bedding up there in the storage. And this way, if grandson or daughter come to stay with us, they have everything that they need. And as I said, it's all electric. Alright, that's it. Bye. Living room. Nice dinette. We have a fantastic fan in the living room. Right there. With the rain sensor, so it'll go on and off automatically. In the bedroom, we have a Max Air fan. And that will operate, that fan will operate with the lid closed so it acts like a ceiling fan. Alright. Up front, you have leveling jacks, automatic, heated side view mirrors, cameras for side view viewing when they go on when you turn on the turn signals, and they show up on the screen here. Up front, you got a workstation with an outlet, plenty of storage, and a 12-volt socket. Underneath, you got a pet viewing window. Down on the stairs, steps going in. Top step lifts up for storage. Bottom step pulls out for a drawer. Underneath is all kinds of storage under here. We put in an automatic light, goes on at night to light up your steps. We got an inverter switch, and we have our Victron battery monitor system. Haven't had it plugged in probably about a month now, and our battery's at 100%. Loving the solar. I'll take you out there in a moment. Outside, a full lane slide from the door back to the bedroom. Got a 3 AGM batteries, 100 amps each. So a 300 amp battery bank. We have our 60 MPPT solar charger, 60 amp. We have our 3000 watt inverter. We put an easy start on the air conditioner so we can run the AC off of the batteries. This is where we usually keep our grill, with lots of storage up above there and in here. So we keep our grill and the table for the grill there. tools and such up in here. Nice big compartments. Storage is the key word for this rig. Another storage bin for chairs and all of that. We have a nice awning. On this side, you got your generator. Cummins 4000. Hot water heater, furnace. All the black stuff and gray stuff. Outdoor shower in here. Propane tank out here with an extended stay valve so you can run an extension for your gas grill or furnace, whatever you want, a little space heater. Now I'll go up on the roof. Up on the roof you have 8 solar panels, 100 watts each, 800 watts of solar, monocrystalline panels, which are the most efficient. You have your shield over your living room, ceiling vent, the air conditioner with the condenser built in, so you can run it off of your batteries, your solar, and we also can run our AC off of 15 amps, shore power. Another shield for the bedroom ceiling fan, and that is the rig. Hope to hear from you.